Welcome to Learn Konkani second episode of Konkani Proverbs, Idioms and Phrases. Learn Konkani तर्फेने कोंकणी म्हणण्यो आणि उतरांचे दुसरे भागाका तुमका स्वागत. We saw in the first series there is a rich collection of Konkani proverb publications. They exist in the form of various books and handwritten collections. Proverbs in Konkani, Adgatiyo, Mhanniyo, they have a unique place in the Konkani language. They are created by unknown authors and are often reflection of life experience or advice. Proverb is a short, witty saying that expresses a traditionally held truth or a piece of advice, often based on common sense or life experience. Proverbs have been written and spoken at all times. Konkani proverb collections exist in many scripts including Devanagari, Kannada, Roman and Malayalam. The collection we are looking at today is a special proverb book. आजी आम्ही पळोवचे पुस्तक Grammatica da Lingua Conacanim, the grammar of the Konkani language. हे पुस्तक प्रकाशित केल्लें year 1857. The title of the book confirms it's a compilation, contains a contribution from Father Thomas Stevens. As we know, Father Stevens lived in 1549 to 1619. So some part of this book is from 16th century, though we are not sure whether proverb collection is from Father Stevens. Page number 237 onwards, there is a collection titled Proverbios or the Proverbs. Before we move to the Proverbs themselves, I would like to bring an interesting fact to discuss. Two old publications from Father Stevens are known or exist. The first, the art of the Lingua Conacanim or the language of the Canaries. Second, Doctrina Christum Lingua Brahmana Conacanim or the doctrine of Christianity in lingua language of Brahmana Conacanim, of the Brahmans of the Canara. It is often discussed that the term Conacanim or Lingua Conacanim as used by the missionaries is a misnomer for the name Canara as we use the Canara districts today. However, the name Canara was not used in that context at that time, and possibly the word Canarim originated from Persian meaning corner or coast, thereby describing Konkani language as the language of the coast, of language of the Brahmins of the coast. Lingua canarim or lingua brahmana canarim. Back to the book we are discussing today, Grammatica da Lingua Conacanim. The copy is available in British Library as an archive file. I will add the link in the description on the YouTube. The book is a compilation of Konkani grammar by Father Thomas Stevens. There is also a description of geographies where each principal language of India are spoken in this section by Sir Erskine Perry. There is also an essay on the Konkani language. We will come to the collection of Proverbs. Page 237, title Proverbios. Simo bhagalo mono tana khaina. The lion, Simo, however hungry or famished, bhagalo mono tana khaina. He does not eat straw. Perhaps describing group of people who will only behave in a certain manner no matter what the situation is. Simo bhagalo mono tana khaina. Majracho khelo undracho maran. One person's play may be death for the other. A cat's play is the death of the mouse. Majracho khelo undracho maran. Monneaka, monno is mute. Monneaka sapon padlari, he gets a dream. Sanguka, sangukalna, the mute cannot explain his dream. Monneaka sapon padlari, sanguka kalna. Gorvantu, gorva asulari, singaka, singa dalata. If the cattle compete with each other in a herd, the horns will bump each other. Gorvantu, gorva asulari, singaka, singa dalata. Perhaps indicating it's natural to have difference of opinion in a group. Gorva anto, gorva asolari. Gorva is cattle or something appears like cattle. Singaka, singadalata. The horns will bump each other. Mellel moshika bar sheru duda. Mellele moshika bar sheru duda. Kavlacho dolo taushaveri. Kavlacho dolo taushaveri. Kodu dudde gangeka velle monu godjatve. Gangaka is taken to the Ganges. Kodu, bitter. Kodu duddo. Gangaka velle monu godjatve. Vento lasalatari volu vachana. Vento, guts. Guts are burnt. Still, the pain does not disappear. Vento lasalatari volu vachana. So we'll continue with more examples. Shanantu Lakido, Shanantu Rabana. The worm in the dung doesn't remain in the dung. Shanantulo Kido, Shanantu Rabna. It will go around. Vai, Vaingana Khattari, Kon Rakta. Vai is Konkani word for fence or a border. The job of the fence is to protect the plant. Vai Vaingana khata, Vaingana is aubergine or representing a vegetable. Vai Vaingana khattari kon rakta. Lajjeka, lajja is shyness. Ani pejeka, paja is boiled rice, perhaps representing staple diet or earnings of a person. Lajjeka ani pejeka, gantipodana. You cannot connect shyness and your basic earnings. Lajjeka ani pejeka, gantipodana. Dantu astana choni khauche. Dantu astana choni khauche. Things should be done at an appropriate time. Takacho yevnu gadgolipaita. Takaka yevnu gadgolipaita. Gadgo is pot, describing the person is not asking appropriate or describing appropriate need. Takacho yevnu gadgolipaita. Some parts of this description also contains in Portuguese short stories or fables. For example, this proverb, Majrana wagak shikaile. Majrana wagak shikaile. And then it describes a cat who taught the tiger how to fight and the story associated with it. Majrana wagaka shikaile. Kajula, Kajula is a firefly. Kajula ujjo dista maleri kamayata. If you see the fire or brightness in the firefly, Kajula ujjo dista maleri, is that of any use? Kamayata. Wagache, Wagu is a tiger, tiger skin. Wagache chamdi. Kollaka galeri, you put tiger skin on a fox. Wagjata, Wagachi chamdi, Kollak galeri, Wagjata. So this is an interesting collection of Romi scripted, slightly old proverbs. Some of them reflect the socio-economy of that times. Aji, amgele Konkani Mannyo आणि उत्तरा ऐकायला धन्यवाद. We will continue to bring a review of more proverb collections in our next episode. धन्यवाद.